Back to another video, guys. Today we are going to be playing Monkey Mischief with my friend. This is a new thing. If you want to see more content, like and subscribe. This is going to be spooky ooky for us because
I just got jump scared and now my legs are literally about to fall off.
There's a new mode called horror.
And we just tested it out and my legs almost fell off.
Yeah.
Because daring forced me into darkness.
Yeah. It was funny. But now we're actually playing the actual game.
It was not funny.
It very much was funny. Okay.
Bonk. I don't know if I want to do horror again.
You're gonna do it like a week, don't worry.
How about I shove you into the darkness because
I think there's gonna be a new update maybe in a week, like a day or two. Because there's a new update visual on the official channel that made this. There's an update video on it. Okay, whatever. Let's go into the world. This is the beautiful, beautiful world.
There could be a scary monkey in here.
There's no scary monkeys. Go.
Are you sure?
Go. I'm positive. Go. Go.
I don't want to stand there.
See, there's nothing here.
That's where they spawn. That's where they spawn.
There's nothing here. See, we're playing. There's nothing here.
Stand there. I'm actually very scared. I'm shivering right now.
Why are you shivering? There's nothing to. Nothing is going to.
You forced me into the darkness, and I got jump scared, and I couldn't run away.
Whee!
As you can see, Darren's not a good friend.
Yeah. Oh wait. What?
I'm just kidding. He's a very good friend. He just wanted to do that for the video.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Don't ask how I figured out how to do this, but I learned how to Spider-Man already. I already learned how to do some stuff to hack the system.
I already learned how to be a Spider-Man.
Like this. I don't even have to pinch climb anymore.
Oh, come on, man.
I could just use webs and stuff and grapple onto stuff.
That's why I hate collision.
Taxes. Whee! No. I need to use my webs more. I'll use Spider-Man enough. So yeah, that's how you hack the game. Hey monkey, you just jumped off. I just saw you jump. It's like goodbye. Just ignore me going supersonic speeds. It's for another video. Also, Spider-Man is for another video. Wonka! What's wrong? Why are you so scared?
Because you forced me into a pit of darkness?
But there's nothing here. I just said your name and you were like,
darkness.
Yeah, because then you went,
Yeah, because I fell off a slide.
Boom. Wonka, watch this. Look at the tiki houses.
I hate you.
Whee! Ah, my back. Okay, Wonka, can you go into a slide and then like whenever you exit it, you just go. But you just pretend like you're getting yeeted out of a cannon or something.
Yeah. Just hold on.
This is gonna be the best video ever.
This video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends.
It is?
No, I wish so. You're like, it is?
They didn't pay me to say that.
No, they didn't pay me to say that.
This is copyright lightsaber. No.
No, it's a
glow stick.
Saber that is
glow stick.
Color saber.
Glow stick.
It's a glow stick with a.
I threw them somewhere, and now I threw one into the water and it disappeared, and I threw another one on the ground and it disappeared. I have the only lightsaber.
Why am I in the cannon? Why am I in the cannon? Why am I in the cannon?
No, you have to like do this.
Do what?
Like this. Whenever you come out.
Oh.
Or you're not getting paid.
Wait, I'm getting paid for this?
Nope. It just fell through the ground. The lightsaber just fell through the ground. What the No.
Does it
No,
respawn?
no, no.
Does it respawn? It does not.
No,
respawn.
it didn't. It just fell through the ground. Just decided it had enough. You're not limited to just moving your arms. If you move your head, it'll make it look like your entire body's shaking.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna assemble a diving team. We're gonna make a diving team.
Hold on, I need to launch myself out of a cannon again. Hold on.
Whoa, no. Spider-Man comes in clutch.
This game is actually very well made. The horror effect into it, holy crap, it's a 10 out of 10.
Here we go. So Wonka, look at me. Oh God, Wonka, look.
Wait, no, I got a better idea.
And we're gonna assemble a diving team. I didn't see that, but okay.
Did you see that?
No.
Oh, well, I got launched out of the cannon facing downwards.
No. Okay, we're gonna assemble a diving team.
Okay.
So go to the little area. Go to the top little area that used to have the lightsabers.
Okay. Why used to?
Because they're no longer there because we removed all of them.
They realized they were copyrighted, so.
We just threw them. I threw them off the edge.
Why?
I
You
don't
could have
know.
gave one to me. And could have gave the ground one.
Whenever I just dropped them and then disappeared. Not my fault. It kind of is my fault. It's a very well made game.
Hi, I'm behind you.
Okay. Can you take the first liberty of doing the first dive?
Oh. Ooh. How about you do it?
No. I'm gonna hit it. Help. I can't swim. Maybe we shouldn't assemble a diving team.
I pretended like I died. Woohoo!
Woohoo! Okay, let's go check out all the other
Wait,
maps.
Can you wall run in this? Can you wall run?
Yeah.
You can.
It's just gorilla tech. Why would you not be able to run one?
I don't know because it's rip-off Gorilla Tag.
Where do you want to
Actually,
go?
it's a
Let's go. Come with me.
No.
No, I want to bring you to the
slice is my
circus.
home. Wait, how?
Well, how about you come to me?
No.
Come with me. I'll jump into the water. You have to jump into the water.
Okay.
So you can come to me.
I'm not gonna make it. I kind of meant to do that.
Okay. So if you follow me, right? We use the technique of Spider-Man. We just go. Right? And then we actually...
Well, I can't do that.
Just climb the trees.
Well, that's helpful.
Well, you have to get
No,
it
I'll
over
keep
to
on
these
doing
rocks.
it the other
Just
way.
get over to the rocks.
Okay, the top of the rocks?
No. Right here. go through here.
Oh, is this where you get the carnival?
Look at this place!
What? Free candy?
Don't go, no. Don't go, do not. Look.
I'm trapped.
You're
I'm
trapped.
trapped. Help me.
My hand's
help
stuck.
me,
My hand's
help
stuck.
me.
My hand's stuck. Help. My hand is stuck.
I don't like this. I'm afraid I'm gonna get jump scared.
No, you're just trapped.
Oh,
I told you not to go in there.
too bad.
Help. My hand's stuck. My hand. No, I'm stuck. No, I'm stuck. No. Well, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Guys. I got stuck in a pit. Goodbye.